The knowledge within Bosch is growing. More and more developers are thinking in the way of how additive manufacturing can improve the products and in the end be beneficial.
Many people like us here believe in AM and see then that the market chances are there. On one hand side, we serve external markets with our strategic partnership here with Nikon SLM, but as well as internal partners like the business units where we now step into serial production. And we have to grow that field with our internal business units further.
We can see large potential in the collaboration of SLM and Bosch to bring additive manufacturing to the next level. So we are working together to have a new industry standard to deliver the very high quality and high productivity parts to our customers.
Main focus in the next months regarding our partnership with Nikon SLM Solutions is indeed the preventive maintenance. We are working together really to reduce the time of the preventive maintenance to create more uptime in the end, which is essential for us for serial production.
So we have now the playfield with the customer demands. Nikon SLM has the strong backbone of technology. They serve us 24/7, they support us whenever we need them. And with this collaboration, I believe we can build this ecosystem of AM in Nuremberg further.
We are honored to deepen our strategic partnership with Bosch, a company that has been shaping the automotive industry for over a century. By moving from prototyping to true serial production, Bosch is proving that additive isn't the future, it's today's competitive advantage. And we are proud to support them on this bold journey.